Welcome back everyone. In this video I will show you how much fuel does a diesel car consume when using car AC for an hour on idle. We will use the tank full to tank full method to calculate the fuel consumption. So let's get started. Now the fuel tank is full, as you can see. It's 5:41 now. Let's turn on the car. Turning on AC at max cooling with fan speed of 2. Let us check it back after an hour. About 4 minutes left to 6:41. Let's move on to fuel pump now. One hour completed. Let's fill up the fuel again and check how much it consumed. As you can see, it consumed 1.44 liters of diesel in an hour. This is Ford Figo Aspire having 1500cc diesel engine. Do share this video with your friends and thanks for watching.